Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna go ahead on and get right on into the video. And what I will be sharing with you guys today is my spicy sticky chicken wings. I had these chicken wings in one of my one of my weekly meals, the one with the pizza, and I had several of you guys that asked me how did I fix them, how did I prepare. Okay guys, it's real simple. Remember what I told you, do not make cooking harder than you have to. And I had found this, I tried this here sauce, this barbecue sauce, sticky fingers. It's absolutely delicious. It has several flavors, and most of them is themed by states and whatever. But I have tried a few of them, and I just really like it because you don't have to add too much more to it. All you have to do, really, what I do is just season my wings real good. Okay, guys, let me tell you one thing about these wings. Now, I got some probably about a fourth or third a cup of this here avocado oil on it. But I normally put olive oil on it, but I didn't have any, so either one of them would work. I have that already on the chicken wings, and maybe about a tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm gonna get that on out the way, telling you about that. It's already on the wings. And guys, in this bowl, this is the seasoning. Yes, I got it up so you can see.
Tilt it a little bit.
Tilt it which way?
Towards the camera. Yeah, like that.
Okay. I got my little seasoning that I have concocted here and mixed up and put on it. And I'm going to share with you guys what I got in mine. But you know, I totally encourage you to mix your own seasoning, what you like. And that's all you have to do, and add your sauce. I'm going to tell you how I cook them, and you add your sauce to them, and these wings are delicious. And I also, guys, have tried them. I had fried the wings. I fried the wings first with the flour and stuff on it, and then put the sauce on it. That's good too. But today we're gonna do it naked. The naked wings. I'm gonna season the wings, and then I'm gonna bake them or sort of broil them. I'm gonna put it. Look, guys, what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it on the broiling pan. I know most everybody got a broiling pan that has a stove. You know, I'm old school, because when you buy an oven, a broiler pan. Wait a minute, I don't know if they still do or not. Do they still give you these broiling pans when you buy an oven? Well, maybe you live in an apartment or not, but I know I got a lot of, I have some subscribers that is, like I say, in my generation, around my age, we all know about this broiling pan. And but the thing about it, I'm gonna put it in the broiling pan, but I'm not gonna be broiling it on that high of a temperature. I'm gonna be broiling this on 400. What I got on 400? Usually I boil it on 425. I just bake it on 425. I had 400 on here for some reason or another. I'm glad to see that. And I have it sprayed, you guys, with just a little cooking spray. So guys, let me get me some gloves. I got a little nick on my finger, and I don't want that stuff. I didn't ever tell them the seasoning that I have in. Oh, I'm going to share my seasoning that I have mixed up in here. And most of them is about 2 teaspoons of, how much, a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons?
2.
Like the garlic, the granulated garlic is 2 teaspoons. The onions, how much did I put of that?
I think you put a teaspoon of that.
And put about a teaspoon of the onions, but you could put 2, and according to how many wings that you prepare. And I think I put a teaspoon of black pepper, and was that a teaspoon of this here paprika? Can you remember?
Yeah, it's about a whole teaspoon.
A teaspoon of paprika. And guys, this is ground mustard. You better be careful if you try that. This is the pure ground mustard powder. Some of you guys may use it, but I have it for certain recipes and stuff that I use it in. And I always just like to throw me a little bit of that up on there. Sprinkle me a little bit of this on here. I probably put maybe about a fourth or either a third of a teaspoon, and not very much, because this is another powerful thing. But I like that taste it gives. And then, you know, I use my no salt seasoning, and because I like those herbs and stuff that's in it. And I put a teaspoon of that, and then I put maybe what, Brittany, about a third of a teaspoon of this here cayenne pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Can you remember?
Yes, ma'am.
And guys, I put maybe what, I think it was about a teaspoon and a half of this kosher salt. Because most of this seasoning that I got in here, that I put in, do not have any salt in it. And then if I do put just that much, just a small amount, you won't believe the flavor you're going to get out of this. Okay, guys, I got to get my gloves. Hold on just a second.
I feel when you got it for you.
Oh, okay, that's all right, sweetie. Appreciate you. I was intending to have them over there, but I forgot. I got a little nick on my finger. I normally just put it on there, with my hand. But I was opening a can, and I barely nicked it or something, and I don't want this stuff to be burning my finger. And something, chicken juice get in it. Come all up in the camera, right, Britt?
Yep.
Ooh, Lord, sometimes I forget, my mind will slip, and I do the most. Okay, guys, I just take it. Like I said, I got this chicken already. The avocado oil and the lemon juice, I already sprayed it over it. And then I'm gonna go in. It look like it's very heavily seasoned, but these spices is just like, guys, I want you to share with me some of the spices and stuff, seasoning that you use on your chicken. I have been getting a lot of comments telling me on some of my recipes, some of the things that they do and what they try. And I have been trying them, and oh God, it's on point. We got some awesome cooks out there. Y'all know what's up, what time it is. And I just take them and just get that all. Inside being good. Guys, it's probably about 2 pounds of these chicken sections or parts or drumettes or whatever you want to call them. I get that big bag from Sam, and I just take out how much, just take out some. Okay, guys, once you get the chicken seasoned well, all you do is just, can you see it, Brittany?
Mm-hmm.
Just line them up on the your broiling. Line them up on your broiling rack. Try to line them in order, be just as uniform as I possibly can, but it also does not matter. And I'm going to bake this on 425 for 15 minutes, 15 or 20 minutes on one side, and then I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna do all this off the camera. I'm gonna take them out and turn them over. I do it just like you broiling it on a real high heat, but I don't use the broiler on it. I just do it like you're gonna do a broiler. That makes it juicier to me, but it still gives it like that little brownness and crispness that you get with the broiling them. And then when I turn them over, I broil them on the next side on the other side for maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll take them out, and then I'm gonna have my barbecue sauce in a bowl, and I'm gonna just dip them in that barbecue sauce and put them back in the oven and broil them again. I mean, just cook them till the sauce kind of sets on it. You can tell when it done set on it. Normally I do it for maybe about anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. It all varies. I'm not really sure on the time, but I'll be keeping an eye on it because you don't want it to burn. And that's all to it, you guys. You can beat it. You can't beat it. You won't never want to go and try to buy you any other. And then I have added extra stuff. I have gotten sauces, barbecue sauces, that I have added a little honey to it, and I've added the cayenne pepper. You know what I being a little extra, doing the most. And I be trying to spice it up. I'm having guests or something over. They be like, oh wow, where did you get this? They really like it. Most of the time when I have guests, I fry them. I bread them and fry them, and then dip it in the barbecue sauce. They just seem to love that. Okay, you guys, let me get this in the oven, and I'll probably come back when I get ready to put the barbecue sauce on it. Be right back. Okay, guys, I want to let y'all see them coming out the oven. The timer the timer done went off on them. I want you to see. And guys, I did them on 450. I originally told you 425, I think, but I couldn't remember right. So I did them on 450. And I'm doing it this way, guys, so that I'm gonna go ahead on and put the barbecue sauce on it. Trying to keep my videos to a certain amount of time, so it won't take so long, a whole day for them the thing to go. So what's the better place, Brittany, where they can see?
I'm moving where you move.
Okay. So you see what they look like. I cooked them 20 minutes on each side, guys, at 450 degrees. Now, if your cold stove cook a little slower, and you want to try to do that broil thing, I have broiled it before, but it's kind of hot, and it makes it, it makes it real crispy. I just don't do that broil like you can do, so I just do it on 450. Okay, guys, I'm fixing to go over here and get the barbecue sauce on them, and I'll show you when I come back that I have the sticky finger sauce on it, and then I'm gonna put them back in the oven for that maybe about 10 minutes. I'll let you know exactly how long I put them back in the oven, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, the time about to go off on the wings again. I'm going to show you them coming out of the oven, what they look like. And I'm going to go ahead on and get them plated up and get a thumbnail. And I'll probably come back and show you guys what one of them look like on this inside. And okay, guys, let me go do that, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the finished product of the spicy sticky wings. Did I say that right, Brittany? And me and Britt have already eaten a couple of them. They're delicious. And we're going to have it with some pizza. And guys, I'm going to go ahead on and end the video, and then I'm going to show you what one of the wings look like on the inside. And since Brittany's here, I love filming with Brittany. We have so much fun. I'll probably get her to put the recipe over in the description box. You know, that's something that I don't do myself. I explain it to all you guys. To the new ones, you may not know that I don't put the recipe over in the description box. But since Brittany's here, I'll probably get her to do it. Let me show you guys what one of the wings look like on this side. Should have got a big one. Guys, they are really good. And listen now, if you feed this to a child, you might not put, you probably won't put that cayenne pepper in there.
Can't really see it.
Oh, is that a big enough one?
It's like your hand was sort of blackened.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Or tear it with your hands.
Just tear it. Ooh, like I'm getting ready to eat it.
Towards the camera instead of, yeah, like that.
I might eat it, do a mukbang. This mukbang. But guys, I'm going to get off of here and go ahead on and, ooh, I messed up my beautiful towel with this Charlotte game. I'm going to get that off of there. Y'all, I know fixing to go now so I can get this barbecue sauce off there. I want to stain this towel. This towel will hold, this kitchen towel will hold memories. Well, that's what it looked like on there, guys. I can only tell you it's good. You have to try it for yourself. And we're going to put the recipe and everything over in the description box. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And leave me a comment down below. Do you have your special recipe on spicy sticky wings? Okay guys, remember what I always told you guys. Use your common sense, think positive, and may love you. And bye.